Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'll be showing you guys how to replace your tank for your windshield washer fluid, which is really simple, just a few bolts. You are going to take off the front bumper for this one, which I already did because I was doing some other videos, but it's really easy. All it is 10mm right there, another one right there, right here, and right there, and then there's a plastic clip right there. Then if you have the plastic under your car, you're gonna have to take that off, which I'm pretty sure it's really simple as well. So there's, for the bumper, there's gonna be those, the plastic under, there's gonna be some screws right here, and they're all gonna be 10mm. So, and then after that, you're gonna come over here to the left side. You're gonna need an extension and a 10mm. So if you look over here, you can see that there is only that 10mm bolt, that one, and I believe these two up here holding it, or not even those two. It's just gonna be these two right here, and that should actually three, this one, and that should be it. And then you're gonna disconnect your pump, which is back here, your hoses. You can leave the hoses on there, they won't bother you that much, but you are gonna have to remove the pump and this little, the thing that gives it power, the clip. So you undo this, those two, and then it's gonna be loose. And then you're gonna see right here, here's the cap. This can come off in two pieces. So what I did was, you push this down a little bit, and then it's gonna release, and then you can pull this up, and then that's gonna make it much easier. And then the bottom one, you just pull it from the bottom, and when you're gonna put it back in, you do the same thing. Put this on the top, that on from the bottom, and then they should just connect pretty well together. Should click. You put back the three screws, not screws, bolts. And that should be it. Connect your pump, which you put your little washer or whatever it is first on your pump, and then you put it in. If not, it's gonna leak. Connect your hoses, connect the thing for power, and that's it. There's no need for me to do that right now because I already did it, but I just wanted to see if anyone needed help and to show them how to do it. But that's it. It's really simple, really straightforward, and it shouldn't take more than what, 10 minutes. And that's it. If this video did help you, make sure to consider subscribing, and yeah, thank you.